Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix Bluetooth pairing issues in your speaker XIAOMI Sound Outdoor. So, the most important thing is that we have to enter settings. It doesn't really matter if you are on an iPhone or Android phone, you just have to do so. Both on iPhone and Android phone we have to enter Bluetooth, and here now we have to disable Bluetooth for a moment. Now we have to turn off our speaker using the power button. Of course, we have to hold that, and after 10 to 20 seconds we can turn on the speaker again, and then we have to turn on Bluetooth, turn on our speaker, and let's check if we can connect. If we can't connect, we have to do a hard reset of our device. Check our channel because we have a video of how to do a hard reset of the XIAOMI Sound Outdoor speaker. If you did the hard reset and you have still some pairing issues, you have to contact the device support. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.